If you're seeing a 504 gateway timeout error in Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get you back online quickly. This error usually means the website took too long to respond, but in many cases the issue is actually on your side. And there are a few easy things you can try before assuming the site is completely down. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's check your connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can easily cause timeout errors in Chrome. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly. And if possible, try loading a different website to see whether the problem is happening on one site or across all of them. If pages are loading slowly or not at all, restart your router and modem. To do that, unplug both devices. Wait about 30 seconds, plug the modem back in first, then the router, and give them a minute or two to fully reconnect. Once your internet is stable again, open Chrome and try the website one more time. If the error is still there, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. DNS stores information about website addresses, so your computer can load them faster, but sometimes that data becomes outdated or corrupted. On Windows, open the command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig/flush DNS, then press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. On a Mac, open Terminal and use the appropriate DNS flush command for your version of Mac OS. After clearing the DNS cache, restart Chrome and reload the page. Now, if you're using a VPN or proxy, that could also be the reason behind the 504 gateway timeout error. VPNs and proxies can sometimes slow down the connection or block access to certain websites. Temporarily turn off your VPN or proxy settings and try the site again without them enabled. If the page loads properly after disabling them, then you've likely found the cause. You can leave them off for now, or switch to a different server or proxy configuration if you still need to use one. After trying these steps, refresh the page in Chrome and see if the issue is resolved. In many cases, one of these quick fixes is enough to clear the 504 error and get the website loading normally again. If not, the problem may be on the website's server side, and you may just need to wait and try again later. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.